Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute bad words in a video using CapCut. So in here, you can just open your videos in the CapCut PC and then go to where you want to mute the bad words. And you can just add to audio in here and then click on the sound effects. And on the search bar, just type in beep. Click on enter. And now we can just add the beep sound into the video. So I'm going to just go with the short one in here. Download it first. If this is the first time you are using it, click on the plus icon. Then you can just hear out to see if the position is right. If it doesn't, you can just drag it to the left or right, just like this. So the sound will be muted. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.